Squeegee pressure is not adjustable on the CT50. The lever lowers the squeegee assembly with the proper deflection angle for water pickup. However, it is important to periodically check your squeegee for wear and damage and to ensure proper installation. If your squeegee blades are worn or damaged, like this one, they might need to be replaced. Here's how to replace or flip your squeegee blades. You're going to start by removing your vac hose, and then loosen each of the 4 yellow knobs. Then you have your squeegee assembly free, and you can take it and remove your blades. To replace or flip your squeegee blades, loosen the nuts on the outside of the assembly until the squeegee blades are exposed. Remove from the tabs, and if you're flipping the squeegee, you want to make sure that the front edge that is worn now becomes the back. To reinstall your squeegee blade, you simply put the squeegee back over the tabs and tighten the knobs at the end. If you're replacing your squeegee blade, you'll want to make sure you have the red Linotex squeegee for your CT50. Tighten the knobs. Make sure it's all installed straight. Then once you have your squeegee blades installed, you'll want to put the squeegee assembly back on your CT50. Tighten the yellow knobs and reinstall your vacuum hose like that.